Okay, so next on the list for modification is this. And this is a lighting upgrade. You'll have to excuse my flood lamp thing that I was using, which wasn't doing a fantastic job anyway, apparently, decided to blow. So we're going with it, natural light. And I mean, I don't know if you could see that, it's raining. It just feels awesome. And basically, oh, that's everything there. And I'm going to assume that each of those colours dictates which one it is. So we got all the reds, and an extra reddy red, greens, yellows. So what I'm going to do is pull out the instructions and check. You don't have to do all this to get to it. I have literally done this because I am respraying. To take this off, you've got 2 bolts which are here and here, and then 1 bolt down the bottom. I don't know how well you can see this, but for example here you have 3 wires, blue, orange, yellow, those 3. Now if I look at this here, that'll be these 3, blue, orange, yellow. I'm going to swing you around and show you a before and after. So if I come around here anyway, this is my thing. There's a blue light, and then we have, oh, I didn't have it all the way on, derp. It's making no response on the bulb. Indicator 1, indicator 2, cancel, off. So they're my bulbs, and now I'm going to switch them out for LEDs. Just had, which is the most important piece of paper in history for now. Okay, so yellow, orange, blue. So we're going to start with a yellow, and that's basically what it looks like. And so again, we'll go back to this one here. I'm going to grab the wires, wiggle and pull, and out it pops. There's our old bulb. Wow, that's really stuck in there. There you go. I pulled it back slightly and it was able to pop out after that. So this one goes in, just like that. Before I do any more, what was that one? Oh, it's a turn. There you go. So there is a certain direction it goes in, by the look of it. That's very different. Okay, one down. And I'm going to assume the very ready red one is the next one. So again, wiggle and pull. Pull that back a bit, and then out it pops. Put it there for now. So technically, if I just turn that on. Okay, so I need to look and figure out the direction, because that is twice now I've got it the wrong way. And then blue. Watch me get it wrong first time. Oh, I got it right first time. Damn. I do like how vivid they look. That is really, really, really cool. So first section down. Yellow. Green. Yeah, you got it right first time. Yellow. Yellow. This one here is yellow. Yep, that's right. Eventually. Oh, that looks so much. I'll show you at the end. I'll try and do like a comparison side by side as well. But damn, that looks good. So this one here, I'm assuming this one blew. It did, look at that. That bulb blew. Well, don't matter no more. Because I got new bulbs. Somehow. Wrong first time every time. Oh yeah. Question is, do I get this one right? Do I even get this one in? Of course not. That'd be way too easy to put it in right the first time. There you go. And now it's the final light bulb. Ba-na-na-na, ba-na-na-na. Right, that's the last bulb. And I got it wrong. But what? Uh-oh. I made a mistake. Oh no. Okay, got to fix that one quickly. That's really cool though. Okay, fix the one. Can't have it too easy, can we? I mean, how did I not see that? I thought I checked every single one as I was doing it. So now, if I move that forwards, it's not so blinding. Beautiful. And that's how you upgrade your lights. Simples.